my name is Wanda. Welcome back to my channel, The Art of Decor. Today's tablescape is titled March Madness. Why? Because there's a lot of green, a little bit of lavender, and a whole lot of love. So, join me as I put this tablescape together and show you how we do brunch at my house. Okay, I've selected a green napkin as my foundation piece, and then I place a mirror charger on top. And the reason why I chose the mirror charger is because the dishes that we're using for brunch are see-through, transparent. And the mirror would just simply enhance the plate and bowl that will go on top. Here you see an antique green stemware with a little bit of leaf etching. I thought it was perfect. Although it's not completely dark green, it's repeated through the napkin, that shade of green. Now I'm going in with this wonderful emerald green. Again, it's an antique crystal glass that I found at my local antique mall. And you know me, I like threes. So next, I am using a simple orange juice green vessel with a touch of gold, bohemian. Now that is all in place, I love my knife rest. So I'm going to put down a green knife rest, just a little touch of aging, just to mix things up. In here, because it's brunch, I'm using a brunch knife rest and a brunch knife to go on top. That'll make it easier to smooth out the creams. This is a place card holder, and it has a vessel there for inserting a flower or a little bit of greenery, and of course the place card. So here I chose a little bit of greenery because my theme is pretty much green for March Madness. So once I have that down, I go in and I am selecting my next item, which is the spoon, because we're going to have some hot grits. So I will place the spoon up top. And as you notice, the mouth of the spoon is to the left and the handle of the spoon is to the right, because once you bring it down, it slides right into place right next to the butter knife. Now here is the crystal emerald breakfast plate and the emerald bowl for the grits. It's called nail head. And so I chose a leaf. Now I've had this leaf for about 30 years. And I'm going to use that leaf just to repeat my theme by using the lavender napkin, bringing it through the green leaf, just to tie things in. And I chose a lavender napkin because my foliage is lavender. Now we'll place this next to the plate to the left because it belongs to the left of the plate. And I enjoy using two napkins. Now I will insert the fork right into the napkin ring. just to add a little touch of whimsy and an element of surprise. Now, to close it off a little bit, I am placing a cupcake stand, because I'm a cupcakeaholic, to the upper left. And that completes the setup.